Haylie Duff.
Yay. For us today.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a baguette with some baked melty brie on the top.
Yes.
With cherries soaked in port.
Okay.
Topped
That's
with
fancy.
thyme.
Wow, is this a dessert or a cheese course?
Bring it.
Well, it's up to you to decide, I guess, because I
love
think
that
it could
combo.
be either.
When I saw
So-
baguette and cherries, I was like, what?
Oh, good, okay. To me, like, I love cheese anytime, basically, so I think
Got
it could
that.
be an appetizer or a dessert. So I'm gonna put you to work.
All right, tell me what to
Come
do.
here anytime with that
So,
attitude.
good, I'm
Cheese
so
anytime.
glad. So let's cut the ends off this baguette and then cut out like a V all
Okay.
down it, and we're gonna pull some of the bread out to
I
really
assume we're
make
matching
room
it
for all
up to
that
this,
brie.
right?
Yeah, this or actually this one, so when we plate it up, it's like nice.
Oh, I love it. Let's see. Look at that perfect
Sucker
fit right
for
there.
nice
And you want me to cut a V out of there, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Trough to make a
Bam.
trough. You
I
know
love
what
a
I'm
bread
saying?
trough.
So we're gonna just get this one going right here. We're gonna put pitted cherries in, no pits. So if you're
pits.
biting into them, not breaking your teeth.
Not edible. I've learned that lesson about 9 times already in my life. You
By
can't
the way,
eat those.
you know what I just discovered?
You just do
A cherry pitter.
Oh, yes.
I mean, is that a game changer?
Oh, the
It is.
cherry
What?
butter is such a good little tool.
Why
for
did
that.
no one ever tell me that existed?
Or just take that beer bottle, put the cherry over the top, get that chopstick, push it down
That's
through
right.
the center.
Oh, yeah, that
By the
does
way,
work.
It's cheesy. Yeah.
you will have to show me that one.
Oh, it's awesome.
I have
For
never
sure.
seen that.
Yeah.
So one made it in there. We're gonna leave that out.
Miss Duff, is this a fish?
That is gorgeous.
All right.
Fantastic job. So we're gonna add some port wine to this, and I'm using port because it has a lot of sugar in it. So it's kind of like sneaking in that 5-ingredient.
It's like doing double duty.
It is. It's doing some double duty here for us. We're gonna put some little thyme sprigs in there. Little pinch of salt.
Totally allowed.
Salt doesn't
and the pepper.
Salt,
That doesn't count.
pepper,
That doesn't
okay.
count. Salt and pepper.
And then this is gonna simmer like this for 20, 25 minutes. And it's gonna reduce down. It's gonna get a little thicker.
It's not a marmalade. It's like a condimento.
It's kind of like
sort
a compote.
Right?
It's a
Compote.
That's gonna do its thing, but let's do the brie on this. Do you have
Okay.
some brie in the fridge?
I think brie cannot be eaten cold in my book. It's got to be either baked or room temp.
Correct,
Or
yes.
just eaten like this, which I do at night, 3 in the morning. But what would you like me to do with this? Put
So
it,
let's just layer it all down into that
kinda
baguette right
stuff it
there.
in there like that.
Yes,
Rind
sir.
and
There's
all,
there's no right or wrong way to do this.
So it's kind of envelop
Melted
all in there.
bries.
Melt. Oh man, this is gonna
Good
be.
anyway.
My
Yeah,
stomach's
do a little bit over
growling,
there.
I
Boom,
think.
boom.
Push it in.
Oh,
The thing I like about this too is it's a really pretty dish, you know? And we're kind of like at the tail end of summer, so you're using up all your
sad.
cherries, but
So
this
sad.
really could kind of take you into fall too. I mean, this is something you could do with cranberries.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Nice,
make it like
great
a really
idea.
holiday
Fruits,
thing as
yeah.
well.
raspberries.
So.
Would you want me to?
Some schnozberries as well.
Where's this go? Let's go to what temperature are we doing? this at?
400,
For how long?
5 to 7 minutes, just let it get nice and soft and melty in
I'm
there.
gonna pull out this one because I'm judging by
Perfect.
my eye thermometer. This thing is right.
Wow.
Look at that right there. Look at that.
You definitely want to pull the little thyme sprigs out because nobody really wants to bite into those.
Oh, they're
They're just kind of right on the top there. And I really like to chill this first before I put it on the top because I like the difference of the warm brie with the chilled cherries. So do you want to spoon it over? Or
I
should
would love to. No, I'm good. I went to school for
Like,
spooning.
here we go.
So, Haylie, what was the most
Ladies.
flavorful food that you had on your trip?
We've eaten so much good food, honestly. I think, for me, I have a weakness for the food of the South. So we went to Grand Isle in Louisiana and we went out on a boat and we pulled out oysters. We went to like an all-sustainable oyster hatchery.
How-
And we pulled out these big, it was incredible. We pulled out these big baskets of oysters and we shucked them right on the boat and ate them there. And it was almost like I had never eaten an oyster
Yeah.
before. It
Yeah.
was the same
It's like
temperature
that.
as the water. But then we
God.
took those oysters and we fried them like right there on the edge of the water. And then
No
we
way.
made banh mi sandwiches with fried oysters.
Did you have a kitchen on the boat?
No, we didn't. We just had this really awesome like outdoor heat source on some cinder blocks. It was kind of epic, so. Nice job, look at you.
Oh, that's
It's like you
delish.
do this all the time or something.
Well, yeah, once in a while. So,
So-
are we gonna cut it now, or
Yeah,
this
and
is
I like to
happy?
just set like a couple of these down the center of it, you know, just to make it look like,
a little garnish.
ready. Ta-da, right
daddy.
down it. There we go. A little bit of salt.
Yeah, you gotta have that.
Gotta have that. And that's kind of it. So we can just chop up our little pieces and then we can try it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, look at that.
Way to go.